Hello friends, my name is Arjun and today I'm going to explain you comparing decimals. So let me take an example. 4.25 and 4.3. How to compare? Very simple. First, let's compare the whole number. It's equal. It's equal. Now I will compare the decimal part. Here 20, here 25, here 3. So I will now equal the digits. So here to equal the digits, I will put a 0. Now we can clearly see that 30 is 3. This 4.30 is bigger than 4.25. Or you could say 4.3 is bigger than 4.25. Same for our second example. 2.507 and 2.57. Here, the upper one looks super big, so it must be greater, but no. Let's see. Is it bigger or is it smaller? So, let's compare the whole number. Equal. Second, now let's compare the decimal part. Equal the digits. Here 0 will come. Now the below one is bigger. 570 is bigger than 507. So clearly we can see that 2.507 is smaller than 2.57. That's how our eyes trick us. It looks so big, but it's actually small. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to see our second channel, Bob and the Wives, and you can watch it now. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.